Oh my god, there's bees everywhere. There are really bees everywhere. We're trying to start the fire. Look, his face. Oh. Look at all these stings. Oh wow. So many stings. Hey, good morning guys. Today we're going to be with Nell, Emok, and Raymond. We just got a fresh coconut. I'm going to try to transfer it into my cup for later. But today we found another honeycomb. And I don't want to jinx myself. I don't know how much honey there is, but it's a full moon and it's in the morning, no wind, so it's a good day. So I really hope that we can get some honey today. I'm excited. Are you excited, Raymond?
Yeah.
Yeah. Getting some nice coconut juice though for the road. Yummy. All right. Save this for later. He's got his helmet on. We have a whole crew with us today. It's not our property, so we had to ask permission of the property owner, and he said okay. So there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 8 of us, and it's a really huge tree, I guess, and really difficult to climb. So I'm not sure what's gonna happen, but I guess we'll find out soon enough. Wow, I just saw the first glimpse of the honey. I don't know if you can see it from here, but there's the coconut tree and the tree right behind it. Oh wow, that's big. That's huge, man. The closer you get to this tree, the more you see how big it is. Who's going to climb the tree today?
This one.
Emok? Red shirt, alright. Emok is going to... And me! Someone's got to hold the camera.
I will hold it.
But
you can climb.
Yo, you're going to hold it?
Yeah.
Oh man, I don't know if I can go that high. But Emok, he's the one that does the coconut wine. So he's with us again today. And today he's going to climb.
Arong ba? Natin lagi na. Pag-50 lang sa pisi. Oh, lagi. Ang pisi ana. Go.
Alright guys, here's the other angle. You can see how high it is. And there's the nest right there. So Emok is down there. It's so dense in there you can't even see him. But there's the tree, and it goes down probably another like 20 feet. And he's down in there. Got the whole team working on this project. It's a really good thing that second little tree was there because, as you can see, he can wrap his feet around, so it's a lot easier to climb. I mean, look how big that tree is compared to that one. Is he making his own little steps to put his feet?
Steps.
Yeah. Wow.
Brilliant man.
Yeah, really brilliant. Oh, you can see all the bees starting to move around.
Yeah.
Many, many, many bees. Ooh. We got flying machetes.
May lighter dong.
Wow, he has tons and tons of bees on him. You okay? Oh my god, there's bees everywhere.
Lighter dong.
There are really bees everywhere. We're trying to start the fire.
Come here. Lighter. Pakan ko.
Hah?
Pakan ko no. Okay, tago. We're gonna start the fire.
There are bees all over the place.
Cover your face.
Oh god.
Ah! Mo gidauban na re. Dauban mo na dong. Ha? Dauban mo. Ah, di dapat na igoy. Sigura ana ra na ba? Grisir ko mo pake. Ano ra?
Pakan ko? That was nuts. A mook like fell from the tree. From right there, he fell down. He was covered in bees. Did you see a mook's back?
Yeah.
He had so many bees on him. You can tell the difference as soon as that fire started. All the bees swarmed. They're out of here. There's still a little bit of movement up there, but not much. Do you see this machete flying through the air? A mook was coming down so fast from the tree. He just chucked this thing over his shoulder. We all ran for shelter. All I saw was this thing flying through the air. I think we're gonna let this burn, let it all smoke up. And I think a mook is gonna try to climb up there again. I'm not sure where he went. He like fell from the tree and I think he started running away because of all the bees. I don't know where a mook is. Where is a mook? He went home. He went back home. He ran all the way home. It's not funny, but I don't know where he went. Where did he go? He's really not here. I'm not sure where he went. I hope he's okay. He drive my bike.
Maram ka o kanang labo pa man ka dragon mo dagan?
Ako gigigukod, ko may asugod.
Ya,
Sakaw gyud ta na.
ingo masidro nga sugab dagat imok amag mangbok imok.
Wa ko kaputos lang ato. Ha? Nagtuon ko pag tigbas ko gito.
Pinaak ka na yo.
Nalay ko. Pagtigang ka gina, grabe ikot. Ang pati ni Papa ko.
Look, his face.
Lagi. Oh, tao na pa mo na. Grabe dighanan.
Look at all these stings. Oh wow.
So, sobrang gatos gid ka pa.
So many stings.
Pusla man nakapaak sa ano na atong dadagso.
Nambok lagi ni ron.
Wow.
Napagi pa po. Ya, di gid maigos aso eh.
Dadagso lagi.
Napadunggan mo reto pertin mo.
Wala ka murong to.
Ako may gigukod god.
Grabe
Ari
kay
anak, kay anak ko nyo. Kay anak ko nyo, delikado sa mga akong duolon.
Ano bungkag to ah?
Ha?
Ano bungkag to?
Basta lagi matigbas na siya.
Ha?
Matigbas ang punuan. Tigbas ang punuan. Mo ka na butang eh?
Ha?
Gibutangan gina. Ana,
Oh,
gibutangan.
rebentar mo dito. Mga kakan.
Taglansang.
Kakan nang nanay daob.
Taas sa digikot no. Pero ako makadot sa mga ito, igo naman.
Lagi.
Igo naman itungtong.
Tigbay rin noon, pero kapan lang. Di na ang
Makadot.
Abot na ako dito babaw.
Muli, ilaway. Hindi na masaka lagi.
Dito, tinod din ako.
Kadut.
May igo sa aso unta.
Hindi niya po masaka na. Ha? Hindi lagi na masaka.
Masaka eh.
Ha?
Di masaka.
Hindi masaka lagi. Sus, Ginoo. Hindi masaka gid. Itaki na ko rin. Paano to? Luwag yung kadut ay gaya yung gitu.
Mana siya kaon sagot, vitamins mungkin ang pinakan ginoon.
Biliban ako naman ito. Sa may mong sekreto mo kadot le. Igo naman tungtong mga ikot. Nabali.
Ang wam na may klatayan gud pag atong dito na kustomoy. Di lang magakus.
Nimbuwag na anda ko kayo.
Ligid ko na oy, tapot ng gyapon.
Pero ang kahoy nakapango si mo pero tiukan igo lagi dipilit yung naong gyud.
Wa man ko kaon sagot naon nga.
Sa may gamit mo sabon tiyo nga o amam dot.
Wa kani binuangi ang laom ani no.
Ulit ay.
Na.
Tagana murag kubas kinta minute.
Ah, gamay ra bro.
Kuha na ko kwanto maro.
Mario.
Balik unta dire. Kisa may bilin.
Idad uno sa na dito sa may daan ang dadunon ko tan.
All right, so they decided that it's too dangerous to go up there by yourself.
Mario na lang.
So we're gonna go get more supplies, and then 2 people are gonna go up there, I think. So we're gonna go back to the house and try to come back today. I'm not sure. It might be another day. But wow, that was crazy. I'm just glad that Emok is fine. He was pretty high up when he fell, and he had so many bees covered on his back. He must have got stung at least 50 times or more. Francis, you get stung? Did you get stung?
Yeah.
You did? Oh, Francis got stung.